In Genesis 1:26, God created us imago Dei. In his image and likeness, he created man. And the Bible says, now in Genesis 1:3, and God says, he declared, let there be light. And there was light. So somebody here is going to act like God. He created us in his image and likeness. Innumerable miracles that cannot be described. Wherever you are, we declare for you miracles. And we shall join the apostles to declare the marvels of the Lord. Something spectacular from heaven will happen in your life. You now have the power, the authority, the dunamis to decree and declare prophetically, and it will come to pass.